Hi, I'm ACE's home expert, Lou Manfredini, and in this video, we're going to show you how to use a paint sample. Now, using paint samples is a great way for you to give your paint color a test run to make sure that you like it. Now, it's important that you put enough of the paint on the wall so that you can see the depth of color and you can view that color at different times during the day. So it's a good idea to get a brush that fits inside the pint container here that we're using, and I've just got like an 1.5 inch nylon bristle brush, and I've got a little wall sample here of some drywall just for the sake of demonstration. Now you want something bigger than that because you really want to see how that color is going to look. In particular, if you've got trim that is either stained or maybe it's painted a color, you want to put that sample right next to it so you can see how the color looks next to it. And don't be afraid of taking different colors and putting them right next to each other so that you can really see the variation in the color. And as I mentioned, you probably want to have something that's about 12 inches by 12 inches or so, and put enough of the paint on the wall so that you don't get any bleed. I don't want to see whatever color is underneath there. You want to see the differences between the colors. So it's really important to make them as big as possible and then let them sit. The whole idea is let them dry, because when they're wet, they're one color. As they dry, the color changes, and then it's important to see it at different times of the day, as I mentioned, because these colors will look very different in bright daylight, in the afternoon light that may come into your home, and especially at night when you've got the lights on. After that, you can choose the right color, the one that really makes you happy, and paint over all of it, and it will look great. Now, if you need more help, just ask the sales associate right at your local Ace hardware store. Remember, Ace is the helpful place.